So good day everyone. Today I will discuss the motion of charged particles in a magnetic field. This topic explains how particles behave when they move inside a magnetic field. So my report is just a continuation to Miss Ocampo's report. So if you listen carefully to Miss Ocampo's report, I'm sure you will cope up easily to this topic. So in this slide, you can see the magnetic force formula. F is equal to QV times B, where F is stands for the magnetic force acting on the charge, and the Q is the charge of the particle, and V is the velocity of the moving charge, and B is the magnetic field strength, and X is the product, meaning the force depends on the angles between V and the capital B. The magnetic force acts as the centripetal force. That is why the particle moves in a circular path instead of straight line. We use magnetic force is equal to centripetal force to get the formula R is equal to mv over qb. So in this illustration, it shows that if a mass, charge, and magnetic field are constant, higher speed means larger radius. So if the particle move faster, the circle become bigger. Here is our first example. A Bainbridge mass spectrometer is used to measure the mass of zinc ions. The ions enter a magnetic field of strength P is equal to 1.8 with a speed of 4.2 times 104 meter per second, and they move in a. So in this example, we are given a magnetic field is 1.8 T or Tesla. The velocity is 4.2 times 10 to the power of 4 meter per second. And the radius is 1.7 or 0.017 meter. And the charge is equal to 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19 C. So we are asked to find the mass of the zinc ion. So we use the formula R is equal to mv over qb. Kay lagi ang ato mang ginapangita diri is the mass of the zinc ion. So we will use the formula m is equal to qbr over v. So now we just substitute the values. So m is equal to 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19 times 1.8 times the 0.017 over the velocity, which is the 4.2 times 10 to the power of 4. So, so we can get the answer 1.17 times 10 to the power of negative 25 kilogram. Moving on to the example 2. So in this example, we are given a magnetic field of 2.0 T or Tesla. The velocity is 5.0 times 10 to the power of 4 meter per second, and its radius is 2.0 centimeter. So we'll convert it to meter to make it 0.02 meter. And for the charge is we will just multiply the 2 times 1.6 times 10 to the power of 19 so that we can get the 3.2 times 10 to the power of 19 charge. So here we are asked to find the mass of the calcium ion. So again, we'll just use the formula m is equal to qbr over b because we are again looking for the mass of the calcium ion. So M is equal to 3.2 times 10 to the power of 19 times 2.0 times 0.02 over 5.0 times 10 over 4 to come up with the answer of 2.56 times 10 to the power of 25 kilogram. So this is the mass of the calcium ion. That's all for my short report. To summarize it all, magnetic force causes circular motion. So we use the formula R is equal to mv over qb. So we solve for mass using the formula m is equal to q br over b. That's all. Thank you.